Okay guys, before we continue with today's video, I do want to let you know that if you want to support the channel a bit more, you can head on over to Joycasino, and when you sign up, you can get a really nice first deposit bonus, and also if you use our code CasinoMates, that allows you to get 100 free spins on Gates of Olympus, which is really nice. All you have to do is deposit €20 or more. On Joycasino they have a really nice achievements stats, and you can rank your way up. And also they have a really nice variety of games, so head on over to Joycasino and let's continue with today's video. What's up guys, and welcome back to another video here on the channel. Today we are back on Joycasino playing some Doghouse Megaways. Let's start off with a $200 bonus. And let's go for Sticky Wilds, since that's probably the best one, I think. Less spins, but if we get a good setup early on, it's really good. Okay, nice, that's really good. We can get flip. Okay, that's really good. How much is that? 73, not bad. Again, really good. At least we got a profit buy. Let's up it to 300, see if we can get a better setup. Ah, my dog is probably reacting to the dog sounds. I don't know. Should probably play a different game on the next one. This is looking really bad, not gonna lie. Okay. Let's just forget about that bonus and go straight into the new one. That was really bad. Also, be sure to check my Twitter out. I will pin it in the comments below. We are doing a lot of giveaways over there, so you want to look out for that. You want to see? See all the dogs? You Philip, not good dogs. We need a lot of this blue dog. Yes, we do. Another $300 buy. I think this one has to pay for sure. Don't you think, Philip? I even brought Philip for this one, so sticking with the Sticky Wilds. Hoping for a good setup here. Philip. Okay. That's decent, I guess, but not really good. You got normal wilds, which is really bad. Let's go for a 420 buy. This is probably going to be the last one, so hopefully this can pay. We've just lost like 4k in 2 videos, which is really sad. I mean, decent start, but we need a lot more of them. Okay. All the way at least, so we need something a lot better than this, please. Want to go? Yeah, I don't know what to do here. That's really bad. Let's try out some big spins, let's do 20 of them. If everything goes really bad, we're probably just going to end the video. If we get into a 1k bonus, that would be really, really nice. Or if we get a good hit like this, at least pays for the spins. I don't mind. Yeah, guys, I think that's going to be it for this video. Do leave a like down below if you enjoyed, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.